Welcome back class 10th. Today we will continue exercise 10.2 example number 8. Okay, see, I am reading example. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. Look at the diagram given to you. Quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe circle. Circumscribe circle means that is inside the quadrilateral. Okay, prove that AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. Now we are knowing about the equal tangents, yes or no? Right, students, please see. Now here we will go to all four exterior points B, C, D and A. Now look here. If I take point A, then from A this AP is equal to AS, yes or no? You can write AP equal to AS, right? Then again after that point B, BQ equal to BP, yes or no? Now see student, AP plus BP equal to AB. So that I wrote AP this side. So I will write BP on the side of AP. That is BP equal to BQ. See this we have to keep in mind because we are going to add to get AB. If I want AB, I can add AP plus BP. Yes or no? So see BP is on side of AP. Now I will go to point C. From C it is CR equal to CQ. Yes or no? Then see, CQ plus BQ is BC. BQ is this side. So I will write here CR equal to CQ. Clear, students? Now see, again I am just looking at this point D. DR equal to DS. DR equal to DS. DR and CR. So on the side of C, DR plus CR is DC. So I will write DR equal to DS. Clear, students? Please now see, we got all these four. 1, 2, number like this, 3, 4. What is support for all four? Equal tangents. Yes or no? Equal tangents. Now if I add this AP plus BP is equal to AS plus BQ, yes or no? AP plus BP plus CR plus DR, AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. If I add all four, see now, add 1, 2, 3 and 4. Added, we are getting it AP plus BP plus CR plus DR equal to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Clear? Now add. See, AP plus BP is how much beta? AB. Very simple, very simple. DR plus CR, DR plus CR DC equal to AS plus DS, AS plus DS AD, BQ plus CQ, BC. Got it? Now see, you got this AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC and hence proved. Very simple. Here important is writing. Be careful. If you write AP equal to AS, then look at here AP plus BP equal to AB. So BP should be on the side of AP. Okay. Again, when you go to other point CQ plus CR. So CQ and BQ are equal. So CQ should be on the side of BQ. So that I can get CQ plus BQ equal to BC. Then CR equal to CQ I will write. So that is to be kept in mind. Okay. Again see now point D, DR equal to DS. अब DR में CR ऐड करेंगे तो DC मिलेगा. Therefore CR उधर है, जिधर है जहाँ है उधर ही DR लेना पड़ेगा. DR equal to DS. Clear? Remember this. Now let us take example we will take example 9. Please see, read once again. In the figure 10.13, x dash y dash are parallel tangents and another tangent AB with point of contact C intersects xy at A and x dash y dash at B. Prove that angle AOB equal to 90 degree. The same diagram, see, look at here, I have drawn once again. Please, we can write xy parallel x dash y dash. Yes or no? Now students, A and B are exterior points. So join OA and OB. Join करता. Okay? See, join. Very good. Now see, if I take AB as a transversal, XY, a parallel x dash y dash, and you know angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Yes or no? Now see, AB is transversal of XY parallel x dash y dash. Therefore, angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. What is support? Interior angles on the same side of transversal. Okay, got it? Give this number 1. Now students, see, we have joined OA and OB. Therefore, if I number this angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, right? Then angle 1 equal to angle 2, because we know equal tangents are equally inclined. Yes or no? Now see, angle 1, what is A? A is angle 1 plus angle 2. What is B? Angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180. Got it? Right? What will be support for this? Now look here, after writing 1 and 2, we can replace 1 by 2 because 1 equal to 2. We have to write here. Say suppose this is number 2. Right? Now angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. What is support? Equal tangents are equally inclined. Got it? Equal tangents are equally inclined. Okay, so that we can rewrite a second step as, therefore 2 times angle 2 plus 2 times angle 3 equal to 180. If I take 2 common, angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 90 degree. Got it? Angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 90 degree. Clear? Understood students? Let us take these 3. Okay. Now see, in triangle AOB. Now, in triangle AOB, angle AOB plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180. Yes or no? See in diagram. In triangle AOB, angle AOB plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180. Angle sum property. And 2 plus 3 is 90. Therefore, angle AOB equal to 180 minus 90, because angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 90. We have taken it from third, and hence angle AOB equal to 90 degree and proved. Clear? Got it students? Now I am taking example 11. See students, please concentrate. I am reading, you are listening. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing circle is rhombus. If I am drawing parallelogram, see, I am drawing parallelogram, okay? We are going to prove it is rhombus. Okay, students? Now see, try to draw diagram yourself because in this example diagram is not given. So you will have to draw diagram. You should understand diagram. We are going to prove it is rhombus, no? So draw the rhombus and draw a circle inside it. Clear, children? Does not matter if your diagram is little bit appearing this way, no problem. So let us name this A, B, C, D. The point P, point Q, point R, point S. Clear? So what is given to you? See now, in parallelogram A, B, C, D. Okay. P, Q, R, S are points of contact of the tangents. What are the tangents? AB, BC, DC and AD respectively. Clear? Very good. Now see, again you are knowing equal tangents AP equal to AS, right? Now see, start. AP equal to AS. Now you are remembering it. AP and BP. If I add both, I am getting AB. So BP I will write on side of AP. BP equal to BQ. Okay, CQ equal to CR. CQ plus BQ equal to BC. So I will write CQ on side of BQ. Right? So CR equal to CQ. We have to be very attentive. What are you going to write? Ultimately we will add. Okay. Again after that DR equal to DS. DR and CR. If we add we get DC. So we will write DR on side of CR. That is DR equal to DS. Clear, students? Now just write number this 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. You are knowing this. What is support? Equal tangents. You have to give. Okay. Now add. See. Add. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Clear? Add 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we are getting, see, AP plus BP plus CR plus DR equal to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Now AP plus BP how much beta? AB. Plus CR plus DR how much? AS DC. Equal to AS plus DS how much? AS plus DS is what? AD. Plus what is that now remaining? BQ plus CQ BC. Okay. This we proved in first example. Yes or no? Earlier example number 8. Now see, in this parallelogram AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. Yes or no? What it? AB equal to CD and also AD equal to BC. Got it? This implies that 2 times CD equal to 2 times BC. Why? AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC. What is support? Opposite sides of parallelogram. Okay, students? What it? This, if we cancel 2, we are getting, this implies CD equal to BC. Number 1. Similarly, we can prove, if we proved CD equal to BC, we can prove CD equal to AD. Yes or no? Why? Because BC equal to AD. This implies CD equal to AD. What support? BC equal to AD. Opposite sides of parallelogram. Yes or no? See? Now similarly we can write AD equal to AB. Yes or no? This implies AD equal to AB. Why? Because CD equal to AD. CD equal to AB. Opposite sides of the parallelogram. Then you came to know, see now AB equal to AD, AD equal to CD, CD equal to BC. Then see, AB equal to AD, AD equal to CD, CD equal to BC. So in parallelogram, if all sides are equal, it is rhombus. So from this we get that ABCD is rhombus. From this we get that ABCD is rhombus. All sides are equal. So that's all proved. Okay. So you came to know from this, we can prove this very easily, right? See you. So we will see next examples in next video. Fine. See you.